nowhere to be seen. Larvae 就當然係嗰啲幼蟲啦，嗰啲蝴蝶幼蟲咧係需要係喺呢種植物咧係飼養嘅。咁而家就斬晒佢啦，咁樣啦。咁而家咧就種呢啲 aloe vera 啦，咁咧就呢個 red lacewing 就唔可以依靠呢個 plant 嘅。More than 1,000 square meters of land have been affected, and the Entomological Society says the butterfly population has been halved. 咁即係話超過1,000 square meters 嘅地咧係受到影響啦 ，has been affected， affect 影響。And the Entomological Society says 呢個就唔係讀 say 就係讀 says。halved 就係得翻一半，嗰個人口 butterfly population 即係蝴蝶人口，咁 population 即係蝴蝶嗰個數量啦嚇，咁 population。The society has repeatedly reported the problem to the Agriculture, Fisheries and Conservation Department and the Conservancy Association, a non-governmental organisation。咁呢個 Entomological Society 咧has repeatedly reported， 即係話重複的，即係唔止一次啦去報告呢啲事情啦，俾呢個漁護署啦 ，agriculture 農作物 agriculture fisheries 即係魚，咁農漁農處漁護處同埋 conservation department 呢個就係嗰個部門嘅名啦 ，agriculture fisheries and conservation department。咁同埋另外一個又係嗰個保護自然嘅組織啦 Conservancy Association 呢個係一個非政府 non-governmental organisation， 非政府嘅組織。The association also contacted the department over the matter, but in reply received only a letter confirming the site had been destroyed by illegal planting and that a protective fence had been put up. However, when the post visited the site, it was easily accessible with no obvious fencing. 咁接觸 contact 就接觸啦，呢個部門啦，呢個漁護處啦，關於呢件事。But in reply 即係話佢哋答咗佢乜嘢？收到啲乜嘢回覆咧？就 in reply。received only a letter， 收到一封信，就係確定咗 confirming the site had been destroyed by illegal planting， 即係有啲人咧非法的啦 illegal 種植 ，and that's a protective fence 一個保護嘅欄啦，圍欄就係 fence had been put up 係已經擺上去 put up。When the post visited 呢個 post 當然佢用 italics 咧寫就即係話個 South China Morning Post 咧去睇呢個 site 嘅時候咧 ，it was easily accessible 好容易就係去得到，即係入到去咁 accessible 啦 ，accessible access 就係個通道咧 ，access 呢個係個 noun 個通道 access accessible 即係話可以去到嘅。咁就 accessible。有時我哋話你揾唔揾到啲咩嘢咁都可以講 accessible， 資料都可以 accessible， 就唔係淨係道路或者地方嚇。No obvious fencing 都冇嘢攔住嘅咁樣。Peter Lee Silverman the association's campaign 呢個已經係 manager 唔係 manager 啦嚇 ，manager 咁加個 A 字喺度。Said, the valley is identified by the government as a site with scientific value, but how come there is no one taking care of the place? Aloe vera is not a local plant. It is planted by someone else. It is a pity the red lacewing cannot be found now. Campaign manager 一個乜嘢經理咧 ？Campaign 即係話推行個計劃。或者宣傳嘅就個 campaign 啊，做個咩嘢嘅宣傳計劃咪一個 campaign 咯 manager。咁呢個當然就係話要環保嘅推廣啦，推廣環保嘅經理啦。 The valley is identified by the government as a site with scientific value， 即係話呢個 valley 咧已經係認定咗 ，identified， 即係認得出咁就 identify 到啦。identity card 咁身份證啦嚇，即係 identified 認到啦，即係政府已經認定咗呢個係一個 site with scientific value。A site with scientific value 即係話一個地方有呢個科學價值嘅，咁啊 scientific value。But how come there is no one taking care of the place？ 呢個咧就口語化咗啦，即係如果寫文字就唔係咁寫。How come？ But why? But what is the reason for no one taking care of the place? But how come？ 點解冇人照顧呢個地方嘅咧？咁佢話 aloe vera 唔係一個 local plant 嘅，梗係有人種咗落去啦咁樣。The Longkutan Valley, despite having been identified as a site with scientific value, is not a designated area for conservation and thus not protected by the Town Planning Ordinance. 咁呢個即係龍鼓灘 Valley 咧 ，despite 呢個 despite 咧記住唔好 of 咯 ，in spite of 啦嚇 ，despite 就即係話雖然係認定咗係一個有 scientific value 嘅地方咧。Is not a designated 就指定啦 ，designated 指定嘅地方係一個即係自然環保嘅指定嘅範圍，咁 designated area designated 譬如有某個地方指定嘅地方去換領啲乜嘢，咁就可以講係一個 designated。And thus not protected， 咁所以咧呢個城市規劃條例 Town Planning Ordinance 係一個條例，就唔受呢個條例咧所管制噶啦，所保護噶啦。The department says it is now considering identifying the location as a site of special scientific interest。考慮 considering 考慮啫，係認定呢個地點咧係一個 site of specific scientific interest，site of special scientific interest， 咁啊即係有呢個科學嘅特點嘅特色噶啦。After sites have been given this designation, government departments are supposed to take into account the conservation factor when developments in or near these sites are proposed。即係如果係指定咗係有呢個 scientific interest 嘅話咧，政府部門 supposed to 即應該會，即係唔知佢會唔會㗎？佢 supposed to 咧，即係話，既然佢認定咗係啦，咁佢應該需要咁做，咪 supposed to 咯。Take into account 考慮嗱呢個 phrase 成日都用㗎啦。Take into account， I will take this into account。考慮乜嘢咧？就係呢個自然環保嘅因素啦。如果附近嘅地方要發展嘅話咧，要考慮呢個先至決定批唔批咁嘅意思啦。However, Lee feared the site might have been completely destroyed before it could be made a site of special scientific interest。即係等都等唔切啦，都已經係全部破壞晒啦。The area is neither included in a country park nor subject to any statutory planning control. Although part of this area is government land, no one is monitoring what has happened, he said. Neither nor 又唔係乜嘢又唔係咩，就當然係 neither